Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this guide, I'm going to show you how to see your watch history on Facebook. So for that, you need to go ahead and open your Facebook application on your device. Make sure that it's updated to its latest version as well. Then click on the three-line menu. Scroll down and click on Settings and Privacy and then select Settings from the drop-down menu. Scroll all the way down and you'll get the option of Activity Log, which is in the section of your information. Go ahead and select it. Now select Category from the top of the screen and select the option of Videos You've Watched, which is between the option of Notes and Voice Interactions. Go ahead and select it. Now, in order to delete the video that you've watched on Facebook, if you want to go ahead and delete a specific video from this history, go ahead and select the three dot beside it. Then select delete, which is highlighted in red color, and you'll be done. But if you want to go ahead and clear the entire video watch history, go ahead and select clear video watch history from the top, then select clear to confirm, and you'll be done. Remember that if your video watch history is long, it may take some time to clear. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.